guys, welcome back to my channel and to a lazy cleaning hacks video. You guys seem to love the last one that I made like this, so I'm back again with some more hacks for you guys. And although I am calling them lazy, really they are just clever shortcuts and easy ways to clean things around your house. So I hope you really like it. If you haven't seen the previous video, I will link that in the description along with my cleaning playlist as well, because I make so many videos like this. So if you're not subscribed and you like this kind of thing, please consider subscribing just by pressing the red button below. But yeah, with all that said, let's get into today's 12 cleaning hacks. Okay, so first up, I wanted to share with you the best way to clean a beauty blender or makeup brushes. I've used this for years and years and years, and it works every time. If it's really dirty, you can soak it in warm water and then add some dishwashing soap and also some olive oil. I add them in like equal parts, and the two combined just really break down any of the makeup and grease that's on your beauty blenders. If it's not even that dirty, you can actually just put straight onto it the dishwashing soap and the olive oil, and then kind of just rub it in with your fingers, rinse it all out, and you'll be amazed at how clean it actually comes out. And my next hack is a great lazy cleaning hack. It is to use the Duck Fresh discs, which you sometimes put into your toilet, in the bin. So you can actually open it up, add one of these to the lid, and then every time you use the bin, you'll actually get a nicer smell. This one was actually peach, and it really does work. You can smell it. It almost works better than putting like Unstoppables in the very bottom of the bin, because it's right at the top so you can actually smell it. And this next hack might mean you never have to full on wash your shower again. It is to get a Dishmatic like this, fill it up with your favorite bathroom cleaner, and then keep this in the bathroom or in the shower somewhere near, so that when you are actually showering, as I'm demonstrating here, and if you see some dirt, you can actually use this while you're in the shower. Maybe you're waiting for your conditioner to set or soak in, and you can just give it like a quick spot clean so that you don't actually have to fully clean it every week, because you're constantly spot cleaning it as you wash. And this next one is one I saw on TikTok, and it literally blew my mind. It said not to do your bin the normal way that you would, like shake it out and then push it to the very bottom, but instead an easier way to do it is to shake it out as you normally would, turn it upside down, and then do this, and it becomes like an umbrella, and you can actually just put it straight to the bottom, and it's very easy to then put your bin bag into the bin. I love this one. And this next one is a hack that professional cleaners use. They say not to just look at a surface from the top, but instead to get down on the same level of the surface, because you can see so much more dirt that way. So even once you've wiped down a surface, do like the eye test, go down to the same level, and you might see some more crumbs or some more dirt that you are actually missing. This really does work. Give it a try the next time you're cleaning your kitchen, and you might be surprised. And next up, I wanted to show you how to wash a hat so that it doesn't lose shape. If you've ever seen my husband on this channel, then you may know he wears a hat almost every day. So we do need to wash them. And I was washing them in the dishwasher for some time, but actually I found this cap cage on Amazon. It's really, really cool. You just put the cap in it like this, and it makes sure that it doesn't lose its shape, and you can actually just stick it into the washing machine like you would other clothes. So I just put my detergent in as normal, and I actually put clothes or towels in as well. I feel like it gets cleaner when there's other things in there, but you just pop it in, and then I normally wash it on like 30 or 40, and it comes out so clean, smelling really nice as well, and obviously it doesn't lose its shape at all. This is a really, really great thing to do if you do wear a lot of hats. If not, washing a hat in the top tray of your dishwasher also keeps its shape, so I would also recommend that. And next up, I wanted to show you something that I recently got. These are shoe covers. So as some of you will know, we're currently having renovations done, and we're about to get our carpet redone upstairs. But these are so handy. You know, if you ever pop out and then you forget something and you need to run back upstairs, but say you've got boots on, you can actually just pop these over your shoes and run upstairs. This has also been great for us because we've had so many builders and decorators and things like that coming in, and they always are really polite and and say, oh, do you want me to take my shoes off? But now I can just say, oh, don't worry, you can just pop these on and come upstairs. And honestly, I love this one. The next one is a way of cleaning your air fryer. I actually only made sweet potato fries in it today, so it's not too dirty. But especially if there was something cheesy in there, this is a really cool way to clean it. And I actually saw this on TikTok. It was shared by Drew Barrymore, of all people. So even she has an air fryer that you basically just put dishwashing soap in, warm water as well, and then you actually just turn it on. So depending on how dirty it is, like depends on how long you're going to put it on. I normally do it for like a preheat. So it's just 5 minutes on 205. So it just like almost like soaks it, obviously heats it all up, and it really does help to get the dirt off. But if it was really, really bad, you could even put it on for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But then once it comes out, all you literally have to do is give it a really quick scrub and rinse, and it is nice and clean. And the ultimate lazy cleaning hack is to get yourself a vacuum that will run around and vacuum all by itself. A few of you guys have asked where ours is, but it actually broke in the move, and I've been waiting to get another one when our open plan area is all done. It really does pick up a lot. This is what it picked up with just one full house clean. This was upstairs as well. You can have it upstairs or downstairs, but I pretty much just used to have it in this open plan area. And what I would do is when I took the boys up to the bath, I would just turn it on. You could do it from an app on your phone, and it would run around, get all of the crumbs up from the day. The one that we had would vacuum and also mop at the same time. It was such a game changer, so I can't wait to get it back for when our open plan area is all done, and I know I'm going to use it daily again. So yeah, that's a really good one. And the next tip is a way to get motivated, and also a bit of a shameless plug, but I know so many of you guys watch my videos for motivation, and that is such a good way to actually make yourself want to get up and clean and organize. It's to watch cleaning content on YouTube or TikTok or something like that. I actually watch quite a few TikTokers as well now, but I love to turn something on, even on my TV, and then clean along with it. Or you could have it on your phone as well. It really does just make you want to get up and clean. Then next up, I wanted to talk about the Scrub Daddy. I feel like I'm so late to the game when it comes to Scrub Daddy. They're so cute. They're these little sponges, but I didn't realize that you can actually put cold water onto it, and it makes it really hard, so you could actually like really give something a scrub. And then if you put hot water onto it, it makes it really nice and soft. You can use this for so many different things. And one thing that's really cool is because of the little mouth and eyes, it's actually a great way to wash cutlery. You can kind of just like put it into the mouth, and even the eyes, it's actually a really good way to wash the straws that are on like the boys' bottles or the metal straws that we use as well. So I'm actually really loving using the Scrub Daddy. So I wanted to show you guys that as well. And then another thing, which I've actually shown you guys a couple of times, it is a coverless duvet. I know these are called comforters in some countries, but I got one for Caleb's bed, and I just love how easy it is to make his bed. I literally just give it a shake, and because I don't have to worry about like sheets or a duvet inside that's gonna move around, it always looks really, really clean and like sleek on the bed. Right, so that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and also share any of your own cleaning hacks, because I'm sure we would all love to read those. And thanks again. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.